How to delete your Facebook app permanently. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Facebook application. Then go to your menu bar from the top right corner. Then go to settings and privacy. Now go to settings. After that, go to account center. Now go to accounts. Go to personal details, and here you will see an option of account ownership and control. Tap on it. Now go to deactivation or deletion. After that, select your Facebook account that you want to delete. Simply select delete account. Tap on continue. Select a reason. Tap on continue again. Now simply enter your password and then your account will be deleted. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.